Hey every! In this video I told you about changes in brand new physics sounds liquid and foliage update. Now you can have different liquid and foliage sounds in different sources using physics sounds volume component. Just place it on your object. For more accuracy choose a relevant component. I use box collision. Choose enter, exit, and movement sound you want to play in this volume. Choose attenuation if you make liquid volume. And choose volume surface. Two objects can play a unique sound when they move in volume on ground. But you need to include it on your physics sounds component. Or choose the physics sounds volume settings container you want to use. That's right! You can have infinite unique liquid or foliage sound sources, but that's not all! You can have liquid foliage sound source. I mean, you can use your foliage sound source in your liquid sound source. Also, I change works with settings container. First, now you may choose what kind of settings you want to use from settings container. Second, you may set settings container when game running. And then use physics sounds component for different object. Now, physics sounds available on all new Unreal Engine versions. Hurry and buy it on Fab, and don't forget like and subscribe to get more.